The new Tyson electric bike looks apart from any other electric folders and 20-inch tire size I have tried so far. There are 4 top e-bikes in this class: Walkie H6, Anioki 7 Pro, Vitelan i7 Pro, and Polarna M6. In the past year, I have tried to compare these models and find the best option performance and price-wise. There are only 2 pre-production units made and presented at CES 2023. I tried to cover in detail all about the new 2023 collection and the new Tyson e-bikes in the previous video at the HEYBIKE stand. I placed the link in the description down below for those that missed that video, but these 2 new Tyson are prototypes and they're not final production e-bikes. We had the chance at CES to test them with Norman and John, 2 winners of the giveaway that HEYBIKE team offered, and we're the first one to test these prototypes before the CES Expo opened it and continue riding and testing for several days after the convention ended at 6 p.m. We took the e-bikes on a highway where the speed limit was 40 miles an hour and the bikes held up great. We rode on a strip in the evening and the bikes got so much attention. We had limited time and it was very cold in Las Vegas and we were unable to do the range test, and these models still need small refinements, but the performance was exciting and above the average level of the models in 20-inch folder class. The frame is alloy magnesium and even for prototypes perfectly done. All edges smooth and all seams and folding parts are aligned perfectly when unfolded. Rare to see this in a prototype. Smooth lines and geometry. I really like this new frame, well balanced and a futuristic design. To me, it looks much better than all other models I tested so far. The strength, reduced weight, overall it's improved and even more comfortable. Good color options and adjustability. Both bikes have unique character when it comes to design with color options available. The power delivery from dead start, it engages on the first 45 degrees angle of pedal turn. The torque is powerful and gradual, also smooth, ramps up after 10 miles an hour, very similar to Vitelan i7 Pro. Top speed. It's pushing more than enough power. I was able to reach 31 to 32 miles an hour top speed, but mostly ghost pedaling passing 29 to 32 miles an hour, since the assist is way too powerful in this bike. Guys, I suggested to HEYBIKE team of getting a bigger crank sprocket for this model for those that are looking for higher top speed. It is hard to guess the maximum top speed unless you're testing different sprocket sizes, and HEYBIKE has to comply with US Class 3 requirements, which safety-wise is the most important factor for HEYBIKE team from what I saw on CES 2023 convention. But having a bigger sprocket on your bike and your ability to push harder does not interfere with Class 3 legal requirements, and HEYBIKE team agreed to help us get a setup that allows us to reach 35 to 40 miles an hour pedaling. So that bigger sprocket, I asked them to make it available for general public. I think it makes more sense and it'll be really cool to go online, and if you want to stay 28 to 32 miles an hour, choose smaller size or the one that actually we're testing in the video, and if you want to go faster, have an option where you can upgrade for a bigger sprocket. The shifters are working just fine, but I requested to upgrade them to the new Alivio model. I think it will match better the handlebar components, reduce the weight, and integrate so much nicer with this new frame design. Hiding all the cables inside the frame will make this bike the slickest of 2023. We have a 750 watt rear hub motor, 15 amp hour battery capacity, but after reading your comments, I asked the HEYBIKE team to create a rear rack that will allow inserting a second battery connecting to the controller, doubling the range for over 100 miles. I think this will be a super cool option, great for those that do deliveries, or eliminate the need of owning a car. I love the front and rear turning signal integration. This feature is so helpful in traffic. I hope this becomes a standard and a requirement across all electric bikes. I think having a screen blinking icon, beeping noise, or 5 to 7 seconds shutting off function will eliminate forgetting to turn them off.
Hey guys, it's Nirman Patel. I am one of the winners of the CES 2023 convention, sponsored by HEYBIKE. I just wanted to share my thoughts. I love e-bikes. This is my 4th one, and it's the Viviton Pro i7. Extremely love it. Love the color combos also. And there were four things that were different between this bike and then the HEYBIKE Tyson, which I wanted to share with you guys. The first and second is going to be the wiring harness and the key. It's actually in the frame in the HEYBIKE Tyson. Third one is obviously the headlamp. On mine, it's actually just a regular headlamp. On the other one, it has indicators in the front. This bike, current bike that I have, has indicators in the back as well, but having it in the front too, I think, you know, a little bit safer. And the fourth is actually the GPS. The HEYBIKE Tyson offers GPS tracking and everything else on it for your phone, which the Viviton does not right now. Other than that, I do love my bike. If let's say HEYBIKE Tyson comes into my future, hey, you never know. All right, have a great day.
So guys, here are all three bikes here. So we have both Tysons and the off-road one. Okay, let's look at the lights. Tyson light right here, it is really powerful. We have front turning signals and rear, and the lights are super bright. All bikes. Now the Tysons have this new design rear light. This off-road model has a different type of light, all very bright. And you can see here, this has like a big patch in the front, and it's really bright. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's probably the brightest out of the three. And let's see the Tyson one. Everything's good. I'll try to, yeah, I don't know if you can see the spot. It's a little smaller, but it's really bright. And here is this Tyson. You can definitely take it off-road, and will have a wide spill and long throw. So really cool lights. I really like the performance of the new Tyson model and the changes they have made. Power delivery, the torque at the start with smooth, intense acceleration, the app integration, 4G connectivity, GPS tracking, setup anti-theft function, but the most important, allowing you to reach higher top speed, and this new refreshing frame that looks amazing. I think I found my new 2023 favorite 20-inch folder. Tyson climbs to the top position from all other folders I have tested in this class so far, utility-wise, function, design, and performance levels. When the bigger sprocket is included, and even better if HEYBIKE adds all suggestions I specified in the video. Guys, I cannot wait to see the final results and final bike, and I'm surprised how well HEYBIKE team is listening to their customers, improved and extended the new 2023 e-bike collection. It is open to public opinion and criticism. After interacting with their team at CES, I feel like they're trying to deliver the best e-bike to the market. We enjoyed testing this new model at CES 2023, but I'd like to see what do you think of the new Tyson model. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.